25 square. How means, you see, here 5 square into 5 square. I can write it as 5 square value, I know. It's 25. It's 25 into 25, 625. That is the easiest technique you can learn in your even Vedic math classes to children. 25 into 25. Just 5 5s are 25. You can write 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Not only this will be applicable for only end with 5. Suppose 35 into 35. I need to multiply these two. 5 5s are 25. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 1, 2, 2, 5. There are different techniques when we are learning one by one. We can learn.
Ma'am, this method you used is Vedic maths.
Only end with 5, Nana. End with 5. Suppose 25, okay. 35, 45 into 45. 45, 45 means 25. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 4s are 20. 20, 25 is the answer. Suppose I want 75 square. 75 into 75. Same technique. 5 5s are 25. 5 plus 8. 8 7s are 7 8s are or 8 7s are. 56. 5 6 2 5. Like that. End with 5. You can go with this type of. And the negative exponents is more important to children in this, especially class 6. Negative exponents plays a very, very important role. Any number, suppose here, for example, they gave minus 5 to the power minus 1. See, we know that a negative exponent can be always written as 1 divided by a power n. So coming to 5 to the power 1, minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by 5 power 1.
5, it means 5 only.
5 only. Same thing of 5 to the power minus 2.
1 by 5 to the power 2.
1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square means 5 into 5. It's 25. 1 by 25. Next, 5 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 5 cube. 1 by 125. Like that, you can any negative exponent can be written as 1 by a to the power n. A power minus n general term, if you see, a power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power n. This is one more basic rule, children, very important to. Suppose 8 power minus 5. I want 8 power minus 5 means 1 by 8 to the power 5. 7 to the power minus 3. That means 1 by 7 cube. 2 to the power minus 10. What is 2 to the power minus 10 is nothing but 1 by 2 to the power 10. Yes? Yes or no, children? That means a to the power, any negative exponent can be written as 1 divided by a power n. This is the general thing you need to remember. Very important to children. Because class 6 we did not learn about negative exponents.
Ma'am, can you explain that once again, ma'am? 5 minus 2, that one.
Okay. Earlier one, ma?
Yeah, here, ma'am. 5 minus 2 is equals to 1 by 5, that one.
5, okay. This case.
Yes.
See, here they gave, observe the continuous series pattern is given, children. Sometimes to get a generalized rule, we need to learn the patterns. So they simply divide 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5. So we are getting 1 by 5. So 5 to the power minus 2 means 5 to the power minus 2. How you supposed to get, children? How you supposed to get? 1 by 5. If you do 5 as reciprocal means we can division can be written as 1 by 5 into multiplied with 1 by 5. Reciprocal of this fraction is 1 by 5. So it's nothing but 1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square. What we are doing, divide with 1 by 5, we are dividing with 5. 1 by 5 square, you are dividing with 5, you are getting 1 by 5 cube. If you divide 1 by 5 cube, that means a power n minus 1, children. You can observe the series here. How the series is following means 5 square means 1 by 5 divided by 5. 5 cube means Negative exponent 3 means 1 by 5 square divided with the 5. 5 to the power 4 means 1 by 5 cube divided with 5, so on. So 7 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 7 square divided with so 7 cube. Nothing, children, this is only they expressed here, nothing to learn. Only the thing they are giving some pattern of numbers was given. How you will get the pattern? Is any following any 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube. If you divide with 5, you are getting 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube, 1 by 5 to the power 4, so on. But you can even express in this way. That is only the intention. They mentioned the pattern. This pattern we are not using here, but sometimes even we can use this pattern to simplify. This is very thing. Only the way of expressing. You can express in this way. And 10 to the power minus 4 means 1 by 10 square. Nothing, children, only the pattern expression was given. General rule, if you see general rule, just before we are taking a power minus m, but here they are taking x power minus m, can be written as 1 by x power m. So x power minus m, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of x power minus m is how much? What is multiplicative inverse, children? If you multiply what number, you will get a result as 1. So what number I should multiply to make as 1? X power positive m. If minus m plus m, this is once again product rule. Product rule means I need to add my exponents. So minus m and plus m becomes 0. 0. X power 0. Any number raised power 0 is 1. 1 equal to 1. So that means what is multiplicative inverse of x power minus m? It's x power m. But that's why the general concept, what is the rule that pattern making? Why pattern is written means to write the multiplicative inverse part. Suppose if I have like question like a 10 power minus 3, 1 by 10 power minus 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of this to make as 1?
1 by 10 to the power 3.
Yes, into 10 cube.
Okay.
Yes or no? Yes, children, why you just observe. Suppose I want a 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3, how I supposed to write? Is it 10 cube?
3.
10 cube?
Power 3.
Very good.
10 cube.
Very important rule, children. Please remember these things. Suppose 10 power minus 3 can be written as 1 by
10 power 3.
1 by 10 power 3.
3. This is vice versa is happening. Please very keenly observe these things. We are using this even in our calculation part when we are doing simplification. There are different laws we learned in our previous class. Product rule, a power m multiplied with a power n, we are adding exponents. And division, quotient rule in division, we are subtracting exponents. Power raised power means we are multiplying the powers. And a power m, if exponents are same, you need to multiply the bases and make it as whole power, ab whole power m, and a power 0 is 1. This is the basic loss of exponents you need to remember. Not only this, children, we have some more a power minus n just before we discussed.
And we have a power m divided by b power m also.
A power m divided by b power m. Very good. It's nothing but a by b whole power m. Very good. Any like that, any other things also. Suppose this is same thing if I'm going to write as a by b whole power minus m. Reciprocal of this fraction. Reciprocal means b by a.
B by A and minus.
Positive m.
Power m.
Positive m, not negative. Positive m. This is more important, children. Positive m. This you will learn this in this when we are doing b by a whole power m, which is very same as this. There are few more examples also we can substitute and simplify. We'll go with practice questions, children, based on if you are doing practice sums, so we are applying different class of exponents, even you can easily find out. Question number 2, you see, children, in question number 2, is it anywhere you observe the bases are same? By looking the question, is this base are the same? 2 by 3,
Yes,
2
ma'am.
by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
What we
ma'am.
should do if bases are same means in product rule, what we should do? We need to add your exponents. Yes or no? If you add my exponents, what is the answer, children? Children,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
minus 1.
1.
2 by 3, base is same. If you see the square and 2 by 3, even I can put dot to multiplication, children. You can use that if you are seeing any
Ma'am,
dot
-2
answer.
it actually.
Ma'am, 4 minus 1 by 3 power 2.
Yes, let me see. So if bases are same, I need to add my exponents. This is product rule. Product rule means you are adding exponents. So 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. Just before I said a by b whole power minus n can be written as b by a whole power positive n. b by a positive n. So how you supposed to write, children? This is
3 by 2
power 1
3 by 2 power 1 is only 3 by 2.
only 3.
Okay, this is very important law of exponent. Next
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
if you see another condition, this is by looking this, is it a division rule, children?
Yes, ma'am, it's division.
Division in division, quotient rule, what you should do? You need to subtract your exponents. You need to subtract your exponents. So if bases are same in division rule or
Ma'am, it would be -2.
5 minus 5 minus of minus 7. So minus of
Okay.
minus is nothing but
Plus. So
Plus
2
plus
is
so it
25 by
Ma'am,
8 power 2.
12.
minus 5 plus 7. So it is 25 by 8 whole square. Even
Whole power.
Yes, ma'am, minus.
you're asking find the value. Evaluate means you need to find the value. 25 square is 625. What is the value of 25 square, children?
4.
625. 8 square is 60.
64, ma'am.
Like
8
that
square.
you
Ma'am,
need to-
like, what do you mean by this, ma'am? 25 square is 625 mean?
What more?
Ma'am, like, what does it mean, ma'am? 25 square
But in the
is
examination, children, this question is given in subjective examination. You need to do even each and every step. Let me go with the process. 25 by 8. 25 by 8. You see, suppose in the examination you are getting a question like same question, negative exponent, and 25 by 8, it's a negative 7. So since from you need to write which law of exponent a power m divided by a power m can be written as a power m minus n. So that I am writing as 25 by 8 whole to the power minus 5 minus of minus 7. So it is nothing but see, if you see in integers, minus of minus become plus, children. So minus 5 plus 7 is nothing but positive 2. So once again you need to rewrite your exponential form. It's positive square. So this is once again you need which law of exponent a by b whole power m, just before one of our child said a power m b power a power m by b power m. So this is nothing but 25 to the square and the 8 square. You can write it as 25 into 25, 8 into 8. 625 by 8 8s are 64. This is the value. You can do each and every case where what law of exponent you are using, you need to mention in your answer sheet, children. You need to mention in the subjective test. In objective test, no need. Directly you can apply. Any doubt in the question number 2?
no, ma'am.
So see,
No, ma'am.
there are different laws. Children, here the two laws we are applied. Here also we applied two laws. Coming to the question 3, by looking only you can say this is power raised power. If you see this, power raised power. Power raised power means you need to multiply
both of them.
the powers. Very good. You need to multiply the exponents. You need to multiply the index part. Now coming to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. As I said, you need to mention in each and every case what law you are using, children. That's more important. 2 by 3 whole to the power 5, and once again whole to the power
2. Ma'am, minus 3.
That's 2.
minus 2. And not only this, what is other condition was given here?
Into 2 by 3 raised to the power 7.
Into 2 by 3 whole to the power 7. Into 2 by 3 whole to the power 7. Children, first you need to go with this part. So
Ma'am,
a
it would
power
be
m
2 by 3 raised
whole
to
power
power 10.
m. Since this law, children, since power raised power law, we can multiply the powers.
Exponents.
So here 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 into minus 2. What is 5
10.
into minus 2? One negative, one positive, you are going to get.
Minus 10.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
as it is, you have to write the second fraction 2 by 3 exponent. Now here 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 10 and 2 by 3 whole to the power 7. This is once again bases are same, product because we are multiplying, product rule. That means since a power m into b power m can be written as b power n. Can be written as you need to add your exponents, children. A power
Ma'am, why b power n you took, ma'am? The bases are same, right? 2 by 3, 2 by 3.
minus 10 plus 7. What more?
Ma'am, here why did you wrote a power m into b power n?
This is the law. Since from this law only we are doing this step.
Yes, ma'am, but the base is same, so you can take it.
Bases are
only, right?
same. We need to add exponents, children. Very important, children. Bases are same.
Yes, ma'am, you wrote b there, ma'am, b.
Oh, sorry. By mistake
Yes.
it is happening. By mistake. Sorry, ma. Bases are same. Very good. Who is this? Very good. Very alert in the class. Good.
Yes.
Good. 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 10 plus 7. Once again, integers are very important. That's why from class 6 we are helping integers or base. So what is the value? Minus 10.
Ma'am, it's minus 3.
Minus 3.
So minus 3. Since it is once again negative exponent,
Ma'am, it's 3 by 2.
1 by positive
3 by 2 power 3.
or but
3
in
by 2
this
power
case,
3.
in this
3 by 2
a
power.
by b whole power n, nana, minus n. It's nothing but b by a whole to the power.
Yes, ma'am. That's why it's 3 by 2 power 3.
Yes, we are applying this law of exponent here. So it's 3 by 2.
9 by 8.
Yes. 3 cube means what, children?
9.
No, 3 cube.
9, ma'am.
27,
Sorry,
ma'am.
ma'am. 27 by 8. 27 by 8.
27 by 8. Ma'am, it's 27 by 8.
That's why children may be confused for squares and cubes. Be alert, children. The same mistake you will do in the exam too. Same in a hurry, even you know very well. You know multiplications well. But in a hurry, what you will do? You will do the same. Like that you need to each and every case. If you have any doubt, please let me know your doubt, children, so that we can discuss.
Ma'am, no doubt we will discuss more like this.
Because these are basic things, children. 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied with 3 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied with 3 to the power minus. This is very, very important, children. Generally, children will forget, this is different. Bases are not same. By looking, these bases are not same. What is same here? Exponents are same. If you see here, exponent is the same. That means which law for a power m multiplied with b power m can be written
Equal
as
to AB
ab whole power
m.
m. Very good. ab whole power. That means a.
So ma'am, 6 to the power minus 3.
Huh. AB multiplied with minus 3. So it is
6
nothing.
power minus
6 power minus 3. We should not leave like that, children.
1 by 6 to the power 3.
Yes, 1 by
equal
8.
to 1 by 6 power.
Yes,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
nothing but 1 by 6 cube. 1 by 6 cube is, what is the value of 6 cube, children? 1 by 6 into 6 into 6. 6
Ma'am,
into
2,
36,
1,
36 6 times.
216, 216. 216, ma'am.
218.
Ma'am, it's 216. Ma'am, 216, right?
Ma'am, it's 216.
6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 21. 216 is the correct.
Yeah, 216 is the right answer.
Right, children. That's why cubes should be learned, children. Till 15, please write in one small white paper. Squares till 25, cubes till 50. You can stick in your reading room so that if you
So ma'am, the answer should be 1 by 216.
1 by 216. Evaluate means you need to do 1 by 216. Next question number 5, you can see, children. This is one more law of exponent we are using. 6 power 0 minus 5 power 6 power 0 minus 5 power 0. Another
Ma'am,
law.
is the answer 0?
One
It
minute.
would be 1, not 0. But
1 minus 1. 6 power 0.
6
A
power
power 0
0
equal to 1. That's the law. A
minus
power 0 equal to 1.
5 power 0
Minus 5 power 0.
divided with
Into
6 power 0 plus 5 power 0. This is the question, right, children?
yes,
or no?
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Is it the same question or not? Anything changed? Yes, so 6 power 0 minus 5 power 0 divided with 6 power 0 plus 5 power 0. Yeah.
So
Only
ma'am,
one
1
law of
minus
exponent.
1
Any number raised power 0 is.
would be 1.
Based on this, we are writing 6 power 0 is 1.
1 minus
5
1.
power 0 is also 1. 1
So
minus
ma'am, 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1.
So it's 0 by 2. Any number divide 0 by any number.
Undefined, ma'am.
Huh?
Sorry, I mean 0, ma'am.
0.
Oh, my dear.
Ma'am, I told you at the starting only 0 only.
Denominator 0 means undefined. Numerator 0
Yes,
means 0.
ma'am.
Remember. Yes. Any doubts, children, till here? Shall we go ahead or else shall I go a little slow?
Ma'am, quiz.
No, please, children. Let me go with some part of what is the time? Please revise these all applications, children. These are very.
Yes, ma'am, you send this PDF.
I will share with you so that you can. One third question.
And ma'am, also I cannot find the previous class recording in the YouTube. In YouTube. ma'am.
Today I posted, Nana. Yesterday there was.
Yes, ma'am. You have posted, but notification is not coming.
Today
Ma'am, can you put it in the group also, ma'am? I'm not able to find it.
Otherwise, ma'am, you
or else
post
one
it
thing I
on
will do,
classroom.
Nana. I will share the same record. I will share the link in your WhatsApp group. No WhatsApp
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
Many messages.
Ma'am, Google Classroom.
Classroom. I will.
Ma'am, classroom and also the WhatsApp group, ma'am, please.
WhatsApp group also you need. Okay. I will post.
And ma'am, this where you will post?
Oh, ma'am, this you can just put it on the group, no?
Okay. So PDF anyway, this PDF will be in classroom only, children. Classroom materials I will do.
Okay.
Okay.
Materials you see complete whatever the chapters are shared by Chanakya, so I will post in that. Right. Next, coming to the question number 3, we will discuss. Then we'll go with a small quiz, children, today. 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 1. By looking this, what is negative exponent, children? A by b whole power minus n. By looking the question only, you need to recollect your laws of exponent. A by b whole power minus n can be written as?
Equal to b power
B by
b by a power
positive.
n.
So now I can write my question as 2 by 1 whole to the power 1 and 3 by 1 whole square, and this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power 1, it's 1 by 4. Now this can be written as 2, and this can be written as 3 square.
11 plus
9 and 1 by 4. 2 plus 9 plus 2 is 11.
11.
Plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 11 1 by 2. 11 1 by 2, if you convert into mixed number, it's...
Ma'am, I have written 1 by 2, it's 1 by 4, right?
No, that's all. This is only the answer, children.
No, ma'am, it's 2 plus 9 plus 1 by 4.
2 plus 9, no. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11
Yes.
plus 1 by 4. Sorry, I wrote 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am, we are doing
Okay,
it.
okay.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I correct. I will correct. This is 1 by 4. Sorry. ma'am. Sorry, it's 1 by 4, right? You are correct, children. This is 1 by 4. That's all. This is the value. Like that, you need to simplify, children. Further, we will see. This is one more application part. By what number 2 minus 2 to the 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 will be divided to obtain? This is once again you frame an equation. By what number you should divide to obtain the result? To obtain the result, what you are getting? Minus 2 by 3 whole cube. So what number you should divide? By what number you should divide? By what number you should divide?
Minus 2 by 3 power 2.
5 divided by x. So I want it is dividing this side. If you send to other side, it should come under
Multiplication.
multiplication. So it means minus 2 by 3 whole cube multiplied with
X.
minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. So if bases are same, you need to add exponents, children, once again. So minus 2 by 3, 8. You need to simplify. You will obviously you will get a positive result or negative result, children.
Positive.
By exponent
Because
is
it's even.
right. That's all, children. That's all for the day.
Ma'am, how this minus 2 by 3 to the power 8, how we are supposed to simplify?
Very good. How you supposed to simplify? You're asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good question. Because sometimes they're asking write in exponential notation only, children. Sometimes they're asking about evaluate the value. Evaluate means you need to simplify further. So it's minus 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 8. So in this case,
Yes,
2 to
ma'am.
very good
Got
question. Yes. So you know value as a 2 square value, children. 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square you can do and make it as multiply. So this is 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16. Yes or no? Again 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16. What is the value of 16 into 16, children? 16 square. What is the value of 16 square?
256, ma'am.
Yeah, 256. This is one way of doing the easiest way. Similarly, 3 to the power 8 also. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square you can do. So 3 square value, you know, 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 81. 81 multiplied with 81, Mama. You need to do once again 81. Squares. Yes. You do, you will get the value. You multiply 81, you will get the value. If they're asking about evaluate means you need to expand and write the answer, children. If they're asking about write in exponential, write the answer in exponential notation means you just leave it as minus 2 by 3 whole power 8. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These you will even learn these techniques in your Vedic math classes too, children. So I will give some clues to find the easiest way of finding squares and cubes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please learn there, or else we will next class there is some tips there. We can discuss those tips too.
And ma'am, share some similar problems for exercise.
Yeah, we will do some small quiz on type of this type of questions so that little bit you may confident. Okay, shall I share link, children?
Ma'am, from which lesson we will do quizzes?
These
Which chapter?
exponents and powers only.